Wende Vlog. So, sorry po na hindi ako nag-post ilang days. But, ngayon mag-post na ako. O-open tayo ng package. Kakadating lang yan. So, thank you pala sa 51 subscribers. Okay. Pili tayo dito. Yun na yung sleeves ko. Arm warmer. Yeah, arm warmer. Ako maganda. Ayun na yung sa paa ko. Sa foot warmer. Oh, another one. Like, ay, ito na lang sa end of the video. Hindi, ito sa end of the video. Ito yung pinaka-end of the So, next one guys. Sorry, hindi ko napapakita kasi i-rate namin. Hindi muna namin ito papakita. Parang dito sa akin. Dito sa akin. Dito sa akin, girl. Di mami yan. Mami, oh. I have a hello. I have a cutter at the house. Hello. Dapat bumili ako ng cutter. Meron akong cutter ko wrong. Kalimutan ko. Order ulit ako. Aesthetics sa akin. Sure ka ba? Tamang foot size mo yun. Foot length. Tamang size yun. Siguro yun. 70 size po lang. Take a peek. Calculator is my order. Wait, wala ako. No. So guys, I'm gonna write na namin. So, first. A free. Ito po, sabon po. Pang sabon yan din. Meron pang may doon. Ako, ilalagay ko sa bawang sabon. So, 9. I rate it 9.5. So, let's open my, mascara. Ito ako. Kala ko fluffy siya. What do you rate? Oh my god, it's comfy guys. Okay lang. I rate that 9.6. No? Gonna 10 out of 10. I rate it 9.6 especially for the eyes. Okay, let's R.
I will only open one because I'm gonna leave this one closed.
Don't do not open that because it's not valid, right?
I will rate that.
Rate it.
I'm gonna rate. Baligtad. I will rate it a 10.
Thanks. Go.
Because it's her food tomorrow. She's so excited about it.
Girls. Leo. Okay.
Ang mahaba, B.
Oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Wait lang. Okay na.
Tadatatat. So guys,
Sugat na ako.
guys, do you like this?
But I like this one.
I rate this book 10. I rate this 9.
So guys, I'm gonna rate this 5, I think. 10. But, yeah, I can't see it. Bro, you cover your eyes na. Okay, let's scan.
Ay, we still haven't opened this thing.
Mamaya na yan.
So guys,
Ayun. Ito be. Mga bebela. So guys, ito. 10. Ito, 10.
I also rate them
10.
9.5.
10. It's
9.6.
O, di ba pink?
9.6.
You can prove we are a fairy. Oh! Guys, giveaway ko to.
Giveaway.
Giveaway, ay bibigay ko to sa inyo. Kung naabot ako 1 billion. Ooh!
1 minute. Hindi dapat 1 day surprise.
Okay, 1K.
Paunahan kayo sa comments dyan.
Pati yung ano,
Ayan yung Wendy.
which,
She's rich. She's rich.
yes, she is rich.
Hindi din know that 1 day naman.
So, let's open the one. Di akala. Kaya mo ba?
Ah. Wait, I'm gonna take off the first.
Di ganyan.
Try it if it's working. If it's not, you have to give it